Hello and welcome. On today's video we're doing another unboxing and, as luck would have it, it's another Orico product. As I said in my previous video, I do like to buy products from this company. So today's product is the Orico 3.5-inch SATA / SAS hard disk drive mobile rack. It is the 1106 series. And actually this is not a true unboxing because I've actually owned this for probably a year, maybe 2 years, and I had it installed in my PC. But I put it back in the box and I thought, well, we'll just do an unboxing. You might be interested if you're interested in buying one, a product like this, or this product. You might be interested in seeing what's in the box before you buy it. So here we go. Just going to show you the sleeve. There's the edge. There's the back. There's the other edge. Okay. Now for the unboxing. You open up the top and right away you see the mobile rack. And you get 4 screws. And we'd love to hear from you. This is the typical thank you for buying Orico card. And you get a little manual. Just move this out of the way. There's the manual. Oh my goodness, it's wide. I'm going to show it to the other camera so that you can see. It's quite wide. Lots of instructions. Lots of instructions. All right, and here we have the main attraction. And as you can see, there is a lot of metal construction. I see it's a bit dusty from when I had it installed in my system. And it was also sitting out in my bedroom for a while too. So you can see you've got a plastic front and the sides and the mounting brackets are metal, good quality metal. There's the bottom, there's the SATA connector. Very well constructed. I've been very happy with this device. Here's the back. Oops, turn that the right way around. You can see the SATA connector for the outside. And then on the front here we have the power switch, and we have a power LED combined with the hard drive activity LED. And the power LED, I believe, is blue. And then when the hard drive LED lights up, the two LEDs combine and make a purple, I think it's a purple color. So in order to open the bay, you pull on this lever and it slides open. Let me do that again so you can see it from the top. And you'll see back here there's a metal arm which is attached here to the door, and the metal arm pushes the drive forward. And I've never had any problems with it. It's always worked really well. So you can see when I open the door, you can see the lever here is coming forward to push the drive out. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to insert a hard drive just so you can see how that all goes down. Here's a Western Digital hard drive, upside down of course. Hopefully you can see that. So you insert the drive like so, and as you can see, when you push on the drive, it actually closes the door. Now you're not going to do it this way, you're going to use the door. That's the way I always did it. So you push the door closed, and then you lift up the lever, and that's it. It plugs in to the connector, and the door latches. Very nice looking, very good quality. I'm telling you, I've been very, very happy with Orico's products. I'll just show you this, just in case you want to see from different angles or whatever. Okay, so that's going to do it for this one. Just a very quick video to show you the contents of the Orico 3.5-inch mobile rack. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.